know what day it is. It is ThredUP Thursday, and today's box is going to be a designer box unboxing. This one literally just arrived to my front door within the past hour. So I thought, let's open the new one and see what we got, because I do still have, I think, 4 designer boxes that I had ordered prior to them increasing the shipping through ThredUP on the rescue boxes. So, you know, let's see what kind of new stuff we got. This one that we're going to be opening is from Swanee, Georgia. I feel like a lot of my boxes come from Georgia, so hopefully we got some good stuff. For those of you who are new here, my name's Christina. I am a part-time reseller on places like Poshmark, eBay, and The RealReal. And for all my returning viewers, thank you so much. We are going to have fun. Hopefully, some items to send into The RealReal. And that brings me to my next thing. So normally on Mondays, I do a rescue box recap where I talk about things I got in a specific box and how much money I made on that box. So while I'm going to continue to do those weekly, this coming Monday, I think I'm going to do a RealReal update. I did a video last month on what I was sending into The RealReal, and they're still processing 2 of the items from that batch. So hopefully by Monday, those will be processed and I can tell you what they accepted, how much they listed it for, what items have already sold, and what I can actually expect to make back from them. And I'm preparing another shipment to send to them, just a few items this time. So hopefully we have something in this box that we can send in. So this box I ordered on September 11th, so brand new, which I feel like I ordered 2 other boxes like the week before. Where are they? Anyway, and you get 7 DIY items, meaning they might need repair or there's something wrong with them, that are designer labels for $140. Okay, we got the peek off the top. All right, so I will give you guys a little, ooh, okay, we see a little something already right there. So we will start with the bag that's on the top. We have a kind of small Miu Miu wristlet. Is it a wristlet? Yes, a wristlet. I was like, hopefully it's not broken. And look how neat that leather is. It's got a really pretty design to the way that they stitched it. The leather overall seems like it's in good condition. I'll show you the back side, the corners. Miu Miu doesn't resell necessarily for that much. I haven't ever sold one of their bags though, so I'll have to go in and look at their wristlets and see what those are reselling for. There's the nameplate on the inside. Inside's very clean. The only thing that I am noticing on this one is the zipper right here is starting to come away from the leather. See if I can give you a close-up of what I'm talking about. So like right here, it's starting to tear. So even though I can trim some of the little straight ends, there is still a hole. Maybe that's an easier way to show you. Can y'all see that? That's a tiny little hole there. So probably not something that I can send into The RealReal. I don't even know if this would be worth sending in. I'm not sure the value on this, but overall, besides that little hole, it's in great shape. So maybe somebody won't mind that too much. Oh, I guess we should make sure the zipper actually works because of that hole. It was closed, right? And I unzipped it. Maybe that was the mistake. Okay, I'll have to work on that. All right, so that was the first item. Next item looks to be maybe like a dress. Yeah, we've got a floral dress with red and pink and white flowers. It's got these white leather straps, which is really interesting. And then an exposed zipper all the way down the back. It looks like it's a pretty small size. And this is a Victoria Beckham, which I find does resell for a decent amount. Let's see if I can find a size on this. It says made in Italy. The Victoria Beckham pieces used to come in the Rent the Runway box for me pretty frequently. But they no longer have that box available, which is unfortunate because the cost of goods was only $10 an item. Okay, yes, this is a US size 4. Give you guys another look at this. But overall, this looks like, just from the quick once over, that it's in good shape. So I will comp that out and get that one sold. Might be a little bit out of season. Looks like actually there might be a little run in the material, but not too bad. Since we're moving into fall. Oh, never mind. The leather strap. This one. The other one looks great. But this one does not look great. So that's unfortunate. All right, next up, looks like we have a blazer or a little suit jacket. It's Carolina Herrera. And it's in another size 4. It's a nice gray button down. And look at this really cute detail that's got that ruffle right along the shoulder. Is that discolored? Yes. See that on the camera. It's got kind of some discoloration here and then up through the ruffle. It's not like that on the other side. So that's probably the issue with this one. A little bit of discoloration. I don't know if I've sold any of the Carolina Herrera clothing before. I've sold a pair of sunglasses before. Those did really well. Okay, it looks like our last piece of clothing, and I'm guessing this is a St. John skirt. It is. We've got it in a size 2, and this one has a little ruffle at the bottom, but it's their classic knit, like woven skirt, which they're known for. And the one that I got a couple weeks ago in the box looked like it was in great shape, except it was missing the size. But the internal hem is starting to come undone. So I'm tightening that up a bit. And I am going to send that one into the Real. So I might send this one in also. Just off the bat, I don't see anything wrong with this one. And I love that little ruffle on the bottom. Okay. Whoops. Okay, next we've got a lot of shoes. I feel like I see a pair of boots, which is exciting. So we'll start with these. I saw the sole of these. I think that's really interesting. Got like a textured plastic sole. Let's see. And then it's got this netting along the top. And then it looks like the rest of the shoe is leather. All right, let's find out what brand this is. It's got some shoelaces here. So it looks like it probably wraps around the ankle a couple times. There's a sticker that says size 9. These say made in Portugal, and they're the brand Rachel Comey. I'm not familiar with this one. I love when I get a brand that I've never sold before. That makes it really exciting for me. This one looks like it's in good shape, so we'll check the other one. I'm excited to look up that brand. Here's the other one. Looks like a really sturdy material. And overall, looks like it's in really good shape, except I think that they're 2 different sizes. Now, the sticker on the inside here says size 9, but the stamp on the inside of the shoe, on this one, it said 39, and this one says 42, but it's still stamped with a 9. So I don't know. Let's hold them up to each other. They are. They're 2 different sizes. Oh, what a bummer. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Well, that stinks. But yeah, that's the interesting thing. So let me see if I can show you guys. So in this one, see how it says 42 and then it says 9? This one says 39 and a 9, and they were sold as a 9 for both. Okay, well, that's disappointing. All right, next up, we have a pair of kitten heels in a black leather. These are Aquazera. And they've got a really nice pattern of faux pearls around the strap that goes around the heel. The toes look really nice. Not too bad at all. We are missing a tap. And right here, look how cute. It's got the gold pineapple. There's the branding, and these are in a size 38. The inside looks good. So overall, except for the tap that's missing on this one, not bad. This one, the tap is not in great shape, but it is there at least. This one is in similar condition. Very nice. So the taps really just need to be replaced on this. A little wipe down on the inside and some conditioning. That's awesome. Okay, now let's get to the boots. All right, these are a little scuffed on the back, but nothing that a good conditioning can't take care of, and they're very soft. The leather is very soft. This looks like maybe an over the knee, how long that is. And then it's got a stretch panel in the back. And these are a Stuart Weitzman. So let's see if I can find the size on these. They've got like a hidden wedge. I don't know if you guys can tell that. They've got like a hidden wedge on the inside. I can feel it through there. These are a 9 medium. In great shape. The leather feels amazing. So let's check out the other one. So I did send a couple pairs of Stuart Weitzman into the Real last month. Now those pairs I did pick up for only $1 each, which is why I was willing to send them in and just not make a whole lot. And one of them already sold. So now that wouldn't be, we'll have to look up the Stuart Weitzman boots, but I don't think it'll be worth it for me to send these to the Real. As far as making my cost of goods back or making some extra money on it. Again, these look like they're in great shape. Let's check the heel, because the heel was the only part that I really saw any wear on. It's not bad at all. And now I'm like, I better check for the size, because apparently they could be 2 different sizes. These are also a size 9. Okay, so we got 3 pairs of shoes. Okay, we got the Stuart Weitzman boots, the Aquazera heels. These I've never heard of. The Rachel Comey, 2 different size shoes, which is a bummer. The St. John skirt, the Victoria Beckham dress, which I'm gonna have to decide what to do about that strap, because it's not just that it's dirty. The leather is like cracking on the underside here. So that stinks. that part really stinks. So I don't know. But anyways, the Victoria Beckham dress. Then we got the Carolina Herrera blazer that's got a little discoloration up here on the shoulder. Maybe they were carrying like a shoulder bag that provided some sort of transfer color. And then we got the Miu Miu bag. I always love getting a bag. I wouldn't say I'm super thrilled about this one necessarily though, because of the damage to the zipper, and wristlets don't always tend to go for as much as a regular size bag. However, that little tiny Fendi micro baguette that I got, that I'm still working on repairing to send it to the Real, it's worth a lot of money. So size doesn't always mean everything. All right, let me know what you guys think of the box. What was your favorite piece in here? I don't know. What would you do about the Victoria Beckham leather strap Would you repair the aquazers and put new taps on them? And what about the shoes that are 2 different sizes? Not quite sure what I'm going to do about that. Well, thank you so much for joining me, and I will be back on Monday to give you an update about everything I sent into the Referral last month. See you guys then. Bye, y'all.